Okay, right here we have like a little birdie. So, this is a cage and a birdie. It has like a hook to its cage. You just slap like this. Now open it and look, you little bird. Food, water. Oh, and this thing. And look closely. Look at that. And she's really soft. Okay, this little birdie has cool stuff. She can sing. I made my song, like, Where's the Cage with that music. And she copies what you say. Wrong. Yeah, if you push it quick, you will get song. If you push it and talk. Like, Ava, you're my best friend. Ava, you're my best friend. Ava, you're my best friend. See, she copies and her wing's not soft. Okay, let's look at this cage. Okay, it has a little poker that you can carry and a little locker. See, you just put it down, and if you want to unlock it, and look at this food, it can come out. A little hard. Let me put it upside down. There. See, little food. Let me put it back. One second. Okay. So this is where the feet go. Look. So the feet go like in here. So the feet like go in this hole. So the 2 feet go in this hole. And they hold 2 birds. And here they're called Little Live Pets. Okay. And she's your own little pet. And you can teach her like stuff like, Ava, you're my best friend in the whole wide world. Ava, you're my best friend in the whole wide world. You're my best friend in the whole world. She is so soft. Except her wings and feet, beak, and eyes. But everything else is soft. And look, in her battery thing is soft. And so right here is the on button, right in the middle is off button, and over here on the right side is try me. Try me means you can play with it. On it means it doesn't do like anything. Off, it's off. I think this is the sound stuff. I don't really know. This is a button to do it. Look, you push the button to record the thing, copy in the songs. And we made our own song. So we made our own song, and it's called The Lost Cage. We'll sing it to you right now. Where is the cage? Where is the cage? Where is the cage? Where is the cage? It's called, because I made it when we lost her cage and I couldn't find it. So I made that song, and it was like, where is the cage? Where is the cage? Where is the cage? So, a little hooker, and so and put their feet in. It's a little harder with the camera. Whoops. Okay, and let me put her back in. Okay. Put her feet in there and focus. There. And lock it and unlock. Well, that's it. Come back on Ava Show. Bye.